Hello, little ones. Today, we're going to explore the beautiful concept of inclusion and diversity, why it's so important for us to embrace kindness and acceptance towards everyone, regardless of our differences. Imagine a world where everyone is treated with respect and kindness, regardless of where they come from, their skin color, their gender, or their abilities. That's the world we're striving for, a world of inclusion. Being inclusive means reaching out a helping hand to others, especially those who may feel left out or different. It's about making everyone feel welcome and valued, just as they are. Whether someone comes from a different country, speaks a different language, or looks different from us, it's important to remember that we're all part of the same human family. We may have different stories, but we share the same hopes, dreams, and emotions. Imagine if you see someone sitting alone at recess. How about inviting them to join in your game? It's a simple act of kindness that can make a big difference in someone's day. Or maybe you have a new friend who just moved here from another country. Sharing your toys or helping them feel at home can show them that they belong, no matter where they're from. And if you see someone being treated unkindly because of their skin color differences, speak up and stand by their side. Together, we can create a world where everyone feels safe and respected. And as we embrace inclusion, we open our hearts and minds to new experiences, perspectives, and friendships. We learn from each other, grow together, and create a brighter, more inclusive world for all. So, my dear friends, let's spread kindness, acceptance, and love wherever we go. Let's celebrate our differences, for they make us unique and beautiful. Together, let's build a world where everyone feels seen, heard, and loved. Until next time.